Hey food lovers, ever cooked rice and beans and ended up with a sticky, mushy mess? Today, I'll show you the perfect way to cook soft, delicious rice and beans without sticking together. So, let's get started. Please feel free to use whatever measurements you want. If you want your rice to be more than your beans or you want your beans to be more than your rice, but it's usually the rice is more than the beans, okay? So first off, you need to boil your water in a pot, make it boil. Then you must have picked your beans and rinse your beans, then add your beans to the boiled water. Make sure the water is plenty. It's enough to cook the beans halfway, okay? So because we want this combination to be sweet, we're going to add in onions, okay? If you're the type that don't like to see onions in your food, okay, just blend the onions very smooth and make sure you add the onions into this beans, okay? So while the beans is cooking, rinse your rice, okay? Wash it with rinse with water and let it run clear. This removes excess starch and prevents it from sticking. So once the beans is half cooked, I mean it is not hard but it is not soft either, you add in the washed rice and add in enough water to cover. The reason for this is because we are going to be parboiling, okay, to remove excess starch and to prevent it from sticking. So add in enough water, then you can add in your oil. It's optional at this stage, but it's necessary to add in oil. But just watch this video to the end to see what time and when I added the oil, okay? This keeps everything separate and fluffy. It's now time to drain this water because the beans was already soft and the rice was almost very soft but not completely soft, okay? So I drained the water to remove the excess starch. I added a little bit of water into this pot, very little, just little enough to cook the rice till it's very soft and okay to eat, okay? I'll add in my rice and beans combination that I already drained out, okay? So it is at this point that I'm going to add in my vegetable oil. Add in a little vegetable oil, not too much, not so little, something that would be enough to prevent it from sticking. Just have that taste. Like there's this thing when you add vegetable oil to your rice, it makes it have like a very nice taste, okay? Then you add in your salt, you stir a bit, do not stir too much, okay? Just stir a bit, stir so that the salt you added can mix properly with the rice, okay, rice and beans. So just stir a bit and then cover and allow it to cook for I think because of the water you added, it should cook like 5-10 minutes max, yeah, and you're good to go. Your rice and your beans combination is ready, fluffy, is not sticky and not mushy. This is the perfect combo. So serve with stew, sauce, or whatever it is you enjoy yours with, okay? And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to enjoy rice and beans. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.